You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. It designates different things. Can be simply a first name. There's going to be different pronunciations depending on the language, the accent, the origin. In English, the pronunciation is usually as Vera, V-Ra. A British crime drama series included Vera. Now in Spanish, Vera, or Italian, Vera. So some in English pronounce it also as Vera, but the most common pronunciation again is Vera. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.